In this video, I will be showing you how to use Copilot as a personal assistant. Let's get started. I start by navigating to the Copilot dashboard on my browser. I click into the main text prompt field where it says, Message Copilot. Here, I type a comprehensive command asking Copilot to act as my personal assistant for the day, manage my schedule, prioritize my tasks, suggest an optimized order for completion, and remind me of easily forgotten details, all organized into a clear daily plan. Once the prompt is complete, I click the Upload arrow button to submit it. Copilot immediately begins generating an organized structure for my day. It maps out a comprehensive daily plan tailored for productivity and balance. The morning routine starts with a focus on high-priority task reviews for 15 minutes, followed by a dedicated focus work session between 9 and 11 in the morning to tackle creative or difficult projects while my energy is at its peak. It also builds in a quick 15-minute break to stretch and reset before midday. As I scroll down, I review the midday strategy, which prioritizes handling emails and admin tasks for an hour starting at 11:15. This is followed by a lunch and recharge period until 1:15 to ensure I step away from screens. A second work sprint is then scheduled from 1:30 to 3:30 for medium priority tasks. Moving into the afternoon, Copilot budgets an hour for collaboration and team meetings, followed by task cleanup at 4:30 to wrap up loose ends, and concludes with a reflection period at 5 to note down wins and prepare for tomorrow. This detailed workflow demonstrates how quickly Copilot can organize your time and keep you aligned with your goals. By setting clear boundaries for work, administrative tasks, and essential breaks, you can smoothly navigate a demanding day without burning out. It takes the guesswork out of planning, allowing you to focus entirely on execution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you optimize your daily productivity using Copilot. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.